In this video we will learn how to use the filled surface in SolidWorks to either make this flat filled surface or this tangent filled surface, or if we want to make some guide curves, then how to control this surface by using this tangent line. So let's begin. Open a part file guys and change the background to plain white, and after that click on top plane and select sketch, and this is the ellipse tool, and make an ellipse here. After that select smart dimensioning tool, and from this point to this point specify the distance as 200. Then from this point to this point specify the distance. Here I am specifying 120 millimeter, and then exit the sketch from here, and let's enable the surface tool. So surfaces tab is available now, and now let's extrude this. Click on this sketch and extrude it up to 40 millimeter. Check this box from here, and now let's apply some appearance so for the better visualization. And now to make the guide curve for the surface, select top plane and click on sketch. I am making here a 3-point arc, and this arc will be used as a guide curve to control the surface. Now let's define some parameters for this 3-point arc. The radius is 125. From this point to the center the distance is 86 millimeter, and similarly on the other side as well. And the height from this point to this point, let's define it as 35, and similarly on the other side I'm defining it as 28. It will have this kind of trajectory. And then go to surfaces, exit the sketch from here, and here we have the filled surface tool. So we need to select this top edge, and this is going to be flat if we don't define any other thing. Just check this box from here, and this is flat, this is filled. Now right click here and edit sketch, and if you want to make it tangent, so you can select tangent here. And here let me show you one thing to visualize the surface in some better terms. We have this mesh preview, and these are the lines on the mesh. You can adjust them for better visualization, by the way, that is optional. And this is the reverse surface option, and this is going to be the surface that will be tangent to this previous surface. If you check this box from here, and this will be the filled surface. Now right click here and go to edit feature. For this constraint curve we have make a 3-point arc. When we select this, then the tangent surface will take this shape, and by doing this we can basically customize the shape of this filled surface. So that's all for this tutorial guys. If you want to watch other tutorials on surfaces, then I will provide the link in description. Thanks for watching guys.